If you've lost access to your Microsoft Teams account and don't have your phone number for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft Account Recovery page. Go to the official Microsoft Account Recovery page. This is where you will start the process of recovering your account. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Microsoft Teams account. Make sure it is correct to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Since you don't have your phone number, select an alternative recovery option. This could include receiving a verification code via your registered email address or answering security questions. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Check your email for the verification code or follow the prompts to answer security questions. Enter the code or answers as required to verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before to secure your account. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Microsoft Teams account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for further assistance.